Good morning mga kabayan. Kape muna tayo mga kabayan. Gising ng bagong ligo. Kape muna tayo. Today is my day. Time to coffee. Coffee time. Okay. Coffee time. 6 o'clock in the morning. After shower. Sarap. Sarap magkape bagong ligo. Kape ko mga kabayan. Bagong ligo, kailangan magkape ka para mainitan yung tiyan. Tapos start to work. Okay. Maglakad-lakad, mag-jogging, mag-walking. Today is Sunday. It's my day. Okay guys, drink coffee. Thank you for watching.